Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You want the cleanest log footage fast, so start by choosing a phone with good dynamic range and at least 60 FPS. This helps preserve shadows and highlights. Once done, mount the phone on a gimbal or steady rig to avoid micro jitters. Stability matters more than resolution. Make sure to free up storage and plug in a power bank if you plan long takes. This prevents dropped frames. Also, enable airplane mode and lock exposure to keep consistent lighting and avoid distractions. Now you dial in the core settings. Select a flat or log profile to capture maximum latitude. If your app lacks log, reduce contrast and saturation manually because that preserves headroom. Next, set manual exposure. Keep ISO as low as possible to reduce noise and set shutter speed around 1/60 for 30 FPS, or double the frame rate for smoother motion, then adjust aperture or ND if needed. Once done, lock white balance and use the histogram or zebras to finish. Always record a short test clip and review it on a larger display to confirm exposure, skin tones, and shadow detail. This catches issues early. When exporting, aim for 10-bit or the highest bitrate your phone supports so the log material survives grading. Then apply a LUT and make measured exposure and color adjustments. If you run into noisy shadows or banding, don't overcompress. Raise exposure a touch on the raw clip or use a denoiser in post to preserve detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.